Hello. In the last video we discussed SI units, the 7 SI units, their symbols, how to represent them, the rules to be followed while writing down the symbols of the SI units. Now we have, apart from the 7 SI units, we have 2 supplementary units in SI. 2 supplementary units, these are the units of plane angle and solid angle. First we'll discuss plane angle, SI supplementary unit of plane angle. Supplementary. The first one, plane angle. The unit of plane angle which we are commonly using is degree. We learnt 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 360 degree, etc. Okay, but the SI unit is radian. SI unit of plane angle is radian. Now let us see what radian is. We just consider a circle of radius r. Center is O, radius is r, and here are 2 points A and B. AB is an arc of length L, small l. This arc of length L is subtending an angle theta at the center of this circle of radius r. Then theta in radians is equal to the ratio of the arc to radius, L by r, radian. RAD is a symbol of radian, SI symbol of radian. So what is radian? It is the SI supplementary unit of plane angle. How can you define 1 radian? Suppose the length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle subtended by that arc, which is L upon r, should be equal, since L is equal to r or r is equal to L, I can write this as L upon L. L upon L is 1 radian. So what is 1 radian? It is the angle subtended. The angle subtended at the center of a circle is said to be 1 radian if the arc subtending that angle is equal to the length, is equal to the radius of the circle. Is that clear? Now I told you the other unit which we are commonly using for plane angle is degree, which we represent by a small circle. There should be a relation, as radian and degree are the units of the same physical quantity, plane angle, there should be a relation between them. Just like we know the SI unit of mass is kilogram. There is a relationship between 1 kilogram and the CGS unit of mass, which is gram. How much is that? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Or SI unit of length is meter. Its relation between its CGS unit centimeter is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So now let us establish the relation between radian and degree. What is this angle at the center of the circle subtended by the entire circumference of the circle? What is this whole angle? The entire circumference subtends how much angle here? We know it is 360 degree. 360 degree, how much radiance is that going to be? Listen, what is the length of this whole arc? It is 2 pi r, circumference of the circle, divided by radius r, which is 2 pi radian. That means 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian, or 180 degree is equal to pi radian, or 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. If you substitute the value of pi, which is 3.14, upon 180, you will get 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. So 1 degree is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. 1 degree is again divided into smaller unit called minutes, just like 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 10 raised to 2 centimeters, 10 raised to 200 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter equal to 100 mm. Similarly, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So let us find the relation between this minute and radian. I told you 1 degree is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. 1 degree I told you is equal to 60 minutes. This is a symbol for minute. This minute is not the unit of time. 1 degree is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. Therefore, 1 minute is equal to how many radians? 60 minutes is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. Therefore, 1 minute will be 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 60 radian. That is going to be approximately 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. You can calculate using a calculator. Again, as I told you, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. Similarly, 1 minute is further divided into 60 seconds. This is a symbol for seconds. Again, this second is not the unit of time, the unit of plane angle. 1 minute is how much? 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. Therefore, 1 second will be 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by 60, which is equal to approximately 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6 radian. So we discussed the first supplementary unit in SI. We have one more supplementary unit, that is unit of solid angle. We'll discuss in the next video. So I'm just going through this once more. Plane angle. Commonly used unit is degree. SI supplementary unit is radian. And it is equal to arc upon radius. Gives you the angle subtended at the center in radians. We established relation between degree and radian. But that 360 degree should be equal to 2 pi radian. That is 180 degree equal to pi radian. 1 degree is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. 1 degree is further divided into 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 2.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. 1 minute again further divided into 60 seconds, and 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian.